happy. He think he just made it because I don't know what Adam maybe.
He was actually pretty high up.
Yeah. Yeah, he was.
Yeah, that was the first time I heard that.
Yeah, I remember.
Especially after the
Yeah, I know.
whatever.
That's why
I'm glad I didn't know which table to pick at the time, so I was okay with it.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, no, I looked at you. I was like, what?
And then it happened again.
Yeah, I was like, what happened? I was like, what's going on?
Just blew.
Yeah. What?
Good match, guys.
Good
Yeah, good match. And then we lost the table and the ball.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, ready, Dwayne.
Ready?
Ready.
That's all right.
Yeah, I know. It's like that one.
Ready?
Defense.
Yeah, ready.
Just go the other way.
Ready?
Ready.
Hey, time out. I just want to check what this is.
What?
They're conferring. Figure out our master plan. How you block it. You'll never know.
I change it so often.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell.
Yeah, I know. I'm like,
I have all these different releases.
Yeah, it's going to pull, it's going to push, it's going to slice it, it's going to pull it, kick it. It's
Yeah,
gonna,
that's a good
we'll never
idea.
know.
Yeah. Never know until it's on reach.
Then it's in, that's too late.
By then it's usually too late.
Keep them on their toes.
So you can do.
I'd rather just block it and work check it.
Okay, well, we'll see. Okay, ready?
Ready? Ready?
Ready?
Sorry.
Zinger. Off of a few things.
I did the thing.
That was my master plan.
You ready?
Ready? Good game, guys.
Woo! Third game.
Hey.
Flip your table again. Don't pick Lean Hart.
Oh, we won that game.
I know. Oh yeah. Number 5.
Very good. Okay, you gotta flip again here.
Flip out. Head.
It is.
Okay.
We'll take ball. Big ball.
Pretty light. 40 stop lights.
Oh, can we stop that?